Hello, Blue.
Hello.
Hello.
Blue, you have anything more to say to us?
Hello.
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 Yeah, the prediction for the Patriots game?
Blue, will the Patriots win? What do you think, Blue?
Titans.
Hello. Hello, Blue.
Is that what you said? Hello?
I see you. Hello.
Peekaboo.
Hello.
Hello.
Want to play a game, Blue?
Polly, want a cracker? You want a cracker? Hello. Hello.
Look at his wings. Blue.
See, that'd be annoying. That'd be annoying cut to have, but it'd be cool.
I'd take that. During the night. Hello.
Is it? Hello.
I'm gonna try to have dinner.
His voice is sort of annoying.
Yeah, it is. It's so annoying. Hello. Hello. Hi.
How's it going, Blue?
Hello. Hi.
Hello. Trick or treat.
Hello.
Trick or treat.
Hello.
Trick or treat.
Hello.
Blue says peekaboo.
Hello. Hello.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
I said trick or treat.
Hello.
He said peekaboo. Hello.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Hello.
Peekaboo.
Bye. Hello.
Hello.
That would be so funny. Oh, my.
Oh.
My name's Matthew.
Look at that.
My name's Matthew.
Trying to see what you look like upside down.
My name's Matthew, Blue. What would you like?
Hello.
What's your name? Is that your name?
Your rings are better.
Is Blue your name?
Blue. Hello.
Is Blue your real name?
Peekaboo.
I see you. Hello. He's so cool.
Whoa.
Look at his wings.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
What's up?
Hello.
Hello.
Don't hello.
Hello. Hello.
What's up, dog?
I see you. Hello, Blue. Yeah, that scared me a lot. Hello.
Don't scare me again. Don't scare me.
Look at him, he's like nodding his head. Hello.
Look at him. Where did he go?